This video isn't about the technicalities of modeling or rendering. It's about something far more important: mindset. The way you think as a 3D artist can make or break your journey. Let's dive in. Before you model your masterpiece, sculpt your mindset. First, don't compare yourselves to others. Comparison is a silent killer of your identity. Each one of you has a different unique styles, creativity, and interest. When you find and master it, you'll naturally stand out. Not everyone wants to see the same style. People are drawn to originality, to see something new and unique. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't have inspiration. Inspiration is essential, but don't limit yourself to one particular artist or style. If you only seek ideas from one particular artist, you'll end up as a lesser version of them. Instead, explore widely, try new techniques, observe different styles, and then infuse your own creativity into the mix. That's how you discover your own voice as an artist. The world is vast, and there's so much to learn. Don't underestimate yourself. You are unique. Yes, you might be captivated by other people's artwork, but don't compare. Their perspective is different. Their journey is different. Focus on improving your own style, and you'll keep getting better. Remember, the only artist you need to compete with is the one you were yesterday. If you didn't quite grasp this, go back and listen again until it clicks. Because once it does, you'll see your growth as an artist. Second, embrace the pain. Pain is the bridge to the next level. It's the discomfort that pushes growth. Whether it's improving your modeling skill, creating an impressive portfolio, or building your network, it's not easy. The bigger your goal, the greater the challenge, and yes, the greater the pain. This is why most people stop. They stay in their comfort zone, avoiding the struggles. Instead of pushing themselves, they seek quick enjoyments like movies, games, or even worse. But here's the truth. The pain you feel when you're working hard, mentally drained, or struggling to create, that's growth. Anything worth achieving in life doesn't easily come and falling onto your lap. It requires effort, resilience, and sometimes discomfort. When you feel the pain, it's a sign that you're doing something great, that you're on the right track. So, don't run from it. Accept it. Channel it into your art, your ideas, and your work. Pain reveals your potential, and it's through the struggle that you'll uncover who you truly are. Let the world see it. Third, you are not a clown. You are the king. Too many people having a wrong mindset. When life throws challenges their way, they crumble. They act like they are not good enough, like they lack the talent or experience to handle them. They let the fear of failures define them. But why? Let me remind you. No one cares. No one cares if you succeed or fail. That's the harsh truth of the life. People are too busy with their own lives to give a damn shit about yours. So, stop worrying about what others think. You are the king of your life, not someone else, not me. Sure, I'm the king of my own life, but in yours, that throne belongs to you. So, when you are on a mission, approach it with a confidence and courage as a king. Believe in yourself. You have immense potential. Your brain only believes what you tell it. Telling your brain that giving up is never an option, no matter what. Tell yourself, I'm the most skillful person in the world. There is no such thing I can't do. And if that sounds cringe to you, I don't give a fuck. This message isn't for you. Move on. Because this is for those who are ready to step up, who are ready to own their story. It's your life, your journey, your story. You are the hero. Act like it. So, don't give a fuck about others. Fourth, before taming the tiger, learn to handle the cub. One of the biggest reasons people quit 3D is because of their unrealistic expectations. They want to create a sci-fi mecha or highly complex supercars right from the start. But that's like a walking into a gym for the first time and trying to bench press 600 pounds. Why not start with an empty board first? Why not start by modeling something simple? An object you see in your house. Something manageable. then gradually increase the complexity. Understand this. The jaw dropping artwork you see on the platform like ArtStation didn't happen overnight. The artist behind it didn't install Blender a few weeks ago and create a masterpiece. They've been for 10 or even 20 years. You'll get there, but for now, focus on the basics. Start small, but don't stay small. Staying at the same level forever is just as bad. Always push yourself to take the next step, no matter how small it feels. Keep climbing, one step above every single day. If you could, you can climb 2 steps a day. Now, that you hear these principles, ask yourself, are you ready to adopt this mindset? Are you ready to start thinking like a top 1% of artist? It's not talent. It's about the way you approach every challenge, every obstacle, and every step of your journey. So, what are you going to do next? You got the tools, you got the mindset. Now, take action. And remember, it's your life, your story. Become the hero you were meant to be. And if you like to show some love, hit the like and subscribe button. Let's spread this message to all our brothers and sisters who need to hear it. Keep grinding. I'll catch you up in the next valuable video.